Welcome to the advanced Anki video with the AnKing. This video we're going to be talking about how to use a controller for Anki. This is like the best thing I've discovered since, well, Anki. Anyway, what I would recommend is the app Enjoyable if you're on a Mac, or JoyToKey if you're on a Windows. And if you have any suggestions about apps that you guys find that are better than what we are using, please let us know. And everybody else, check the description. We'll keep an updated list there of programs that are free and work well for this. Okay, this video is going to be a little crazy. On the top left, I'm going to show you a controller and how I have my controller set up. On the top right, I will show you the Mac program Enjoyable and how you set up those keys as I'm going. And then on the bottom right will be the JoyToKey on Windows, so you can pay attention to the screens that you think are relevant. Okay, I'm going to show you how I have this set up. I have the trigger on the left side set to N. That is for my close one-by-one notes. Check the description for a link to that video if you don't know what those are. They're awesome. My bumper is set to Z. That is undo. I changed that with the customized keyboard shortcuts add-on. Again, linked in the description if you haven't used it yet. I have the left stick set to the mouse, and pressing it obviously is to click the mouse. Just made sense. Left and down I set to Shift and C, so you could hit them together and show card stats in the reviewer. If you haven't used that add-on, again, check the description. Up is set to E for edit, right T for the statistics. I set the select button to negative for burying a card. I set the start button to D for decks because it just made sense. The start button takes you back to the beginning. The right stick, I have the movement set to scrolling. This is one of the handiest parts of using a keyboard or a controller instead of a keyboard. And press for G. G is used in the Hint Hotkeys add-on and the Image Occlusion add-on. Go watch those videos if you don't know what that is about. And then I have these buttons set to Enter, 1, 2, and 4. So basically they're set to good for the Enter button, and I'll explain why in a second. And then I have the other ones set to essentially, again, hard and easy. But if you're on a learning card, you'll need the 3 for easy, and that's why I set that on the bumper. And the trigger I have set to H and P. H to show hints, P to pause the Speed Focus Reviewer add-on customization that we have. Go watch our video on that if you haven't. And last but not least, I have in the middle section, this middle button, R, for the Rememorize add-on. Again, go watch our video on that one. And that's how I have it set up, not how you have to do it. There's multiple other controllers you could buy, one-handed controllers, tons of things. Check our description. We'll link as many Amazon things or whatever we could find to show you how to use it. This one that I'm using is a $10 Xbox controller that has a USB plug-in. Thanks for learning with the AnKing. Be sure to subscribe to our channel as well as follow us on Instagram and Facebook for daily tips and tricks at AnKingMed. Also, here's the email if you have any questions or suggestions for new videos.